Welcome to Texas On It channel. Hope everyone's having a blessed day. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button, turn the bell icon on to get notified of every upload. So this is my wife's 2003 Acura MDX. I bought her some MDX window visors. I'll show you how to install them. Super simple. I'll leave a link in the description for these exact ones I bought. If you're not familiar with this, I have a video called The Tire Frying Turd. Definitely go watch that one. When we got it, it was in terrible shape. But in upcoming videos, we're going to be lowering it, if God is willing, getting this wheel gap a lot lower and fixing up some of the suspension, making it ride a little bit better. But it's been a pretty good car to us. Even though I paid more than it was worth when we got it, it's now starting to take shape. We'll be painting it soon on my other channel, the More Motorsports Garage channel. I do all my paint stuff over there. Try to separate Honda Acura stuff from just paint stuff, because a lot of people seek out specifically paint stuff, so it makes it easier on them. Like these headlights. I 2K cleared these. They looked absolutely terrible, and they're holding up great, and they look really good. But anyways, enough with that. We're going to go ahead and put these on, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, one of the first things you want to do is to clean this area with some rubbing alcohol. Now, it does come with its own rubbing alcohol, but I already have some right here in the garage, so I'm just going to use that. Basically, just put it directly on microfiber or a rag or something. Just make sure to clean that up because you want the adhesive to stick. So just make sure that's nice and cleaned up. Now the 3M adhesive is not going to be a problem. That stuff is super strong, so don't worry about it not sticking. And as you can see on these, they're actually formed right here to go right there on that spot. So it's pretty simple. It has the adhesive on the back, but basically we're going to test to make sure this is the right one, which it is. It's formed on both sides. This side and this side have a hump. You're going to want both of those sides to match up. It's pretty simple. Take the red part of the 3M adhesive off of it, just like that. And just peel it like this. A lot of people have different methods to doing it. I've done it both ways, where you peel them just a little bit, stick it, and then peel these while it's on. But this method works fine for me. I'm going to go ahead and line this up right here, just like that, and that's it. Push it down. Here we go. And that one is done. As you can see, definitely a pretty simple method. We'll go ahead and do it to the other ones real quick, and we'll go from there. So as you can see, it's pretty simple to do. Just peel and stick, make sure it's wiped down prior, and it's good to go. Pretty simple little install there. For the people who are interested, I'm going to go over some details on this. It only took a couple minutes per side to do, but it got dark. Within that couple minutes, definitely got dark. But this is the engine setup we have on here. J35, not a race car. This thing is not fast by any means. I mean, it is quick, don't get me wrong, but we're not making it into a race car. I'm not supercharging this one, even though I really want to, but the wife said no. So we're not doing it on that one. It's got just a little short ram intake, heat wrapped, and it's been cleaned up. Runs fantastic. Has a really good running engine in it. Put new injectors, plugs, coils. Basically from top to bottom, we had to go through and replace on this when we got it, because it had like 16 check engine codes. Coolant sensor was bad. Like literally every sensor that could be bad was bad on it. So we just went ahead and freshened it all up, and it runs fantastic. We're gonna have to do some transmission service eventually. It has 243,000 miles on it, and the transmission every once in a while, it'll act like it pops in neutral only when you're slowing down to turn a corner. It doesn't make sense. Change the fluid, probably have to put a new filter on it. And these do not get flushed. They get drain and fills, where you basically just drain the fluid out and fill it up. And you do that like 3 times in a row until the fluid is nice and red, like really nice looking. But other than that little issue, it only does it occasionally. Has cold AC and everything's working great on it. We're gonna do something with the exhaust, but nothing like crazy loud, because my wife doesn't like them as loud as I do. But she does want some sound out of it. Painted the brakes red, tinted the taillights very little, but yeah, it's been pretty good to us. And definitely have some stuff I want to do to it, make it a little more sporty and a little bit cooler. But yeah, the truck has been doing fantastic. Been using it as a work truck still, so pulls hard and looks great. We still have stuff coming out on that. I might do blow-off valve inserts, comparing the ones that Joe sent me, because he sent me some custom HKS blow-off valve inserts. They're different than the last ones, but I'm going to test those out in the future. I have to replace the power steering line on this at some point. I probably won't do a video on it, just because of how difficult it is just to get in there, let alone with a camera. But there are videos out there that are pretty decent on how to replace those. I've already looked at some of them. But yeah, definitely some stuff coming to this for sure. So if you are interested in MDX content, definitely click that subscribe button and browse my other videos, because I have more videos than just the MDX, more videos than the K-Swap Mazda truck. So just feel free to browse and share them around. But that's basically it for this video. Just wanted to get you guys something. I know I'm not posting as regularly as I could, but bear with me. I'm doing as much as I can with the city complaining about me working out of the garage on my own vehicles. It's kind of difficult. I need to get another shop, move the houses, something to where I can start working and knocking stuff out left and right again. So bear with me. Hope you guys understand. Like the video, share the video around, drop a comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. But as I like to say, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.